Whoa.
What the? Oh my God! What the hell kind of move was that? What the hell was that? I can't believe the gas station had lights. What in the whole? That's totally pissed me off. What a freaking idiot.
What kind of move was that? There was a green, you. I got a dash cam. I'll turn it in. I got a dash cam.
Or anything else. So the media.
Together, you know. What the f are you doing? What the f are you doing? You retarded human. Dumbass. Holy sh**. Save that on camera.
Oh, improper passing. Another improper passing. Speeding. Improper passing. Speeding. Slow down, Grandpa.
At a time, she shows up, sit down, have a great conversation for about 45 minutes to an hour.
Jesus, dude.
She said, "Yeah, with this."
How do you know who to pick?
So it was crazy. So there was two males, two females. They're all fantastic, all great repetitions. Amazing. She was so awesome. And the other one, younger, and really Tom Clancy or Christian type person yet. Bigger agency, that also ICM. It's out here in Hollywood as well. And it was such a tough decision. It was like a final rose ceremony. I haven't broken up with someone in 20 years, but I felt
Lock file.
We got a road rage. We got road rage going on right now, guys. This white truck is chasing the silver car, and the silver car just locked his brakes up and almost crashed. The silver car's been driving like a maniac. So he's at fault. He just ran a red. He just ran a red light. Oh, they just hit each other. They just hit each other. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hey. 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 Bro. Bro, you've been driving crazy this whole time. I saw you. I got it on video, bro. Just leave. Get out of here. Yeah, I got it. You've been driving like a maniac. You okay, man?
I'm okay, but
Okay.
I'm not feeling good.
You want to pull it over to the side?
Yeah.
Pull over. Somebody's phone is laying here all broken. Oh, you just spit on him. Okay, bro, you have fun in jail.
Idiots.
Let's go sit down and eat. We had the chicken fingers and macaroni and cheese. That was good.
Holy shit, that guy just...
Oh my god. Oh
He was
my
going
god.
too fast.
Oh my god.
Call 911.
Do you have your phone?